Okay, here's a Peugeot Expert. We've installed a 750 litre one-man window cleaning system into here. Let me just talk you through the individual components. So yeah, we've got the 750 litre water tank. We've got a single 12 volt 100 psi 5.5 litre per minute pump, a digital pump controller, a battery which is being charged whenever the vehicle is driving around, the baffled water tank itself, which has been secured actually through the chassis of the vehicle. We've got an eyesight glass on the tank so we can see the water level there. And this particular customer spec'd this up to have on-demand hot water. So we're using this 5 kilowatt Webasto diesel burner, and that's actually feeding its diesel from the fuel tank on the van and exhausting through the floor. So that's going to heat the water up on demand to about 65 degrees. We do have the option of actually introducing some cold water into the water stream using that valve there. Customers also asked us to install 2 storage tubes hanging from the ceiling of the van so we can store his water fed poles in there. And then we've provided a 12 volt electric hose reel, and that comes with 100 meters of 6mm orange hose. It comes with a set of roller guides which really help when you're trying to pull the reel off, especially if you want to pull at an angle rather than going straight backwards. We operate the electric reel using this hoist button controller, so that's on a cable. We can come out the back of the van, so with one hand we can push the button and the other hand we can actually guide the hose onto the reel. This safety speed controller is designed to allow us to adjust the speed of the reel. It also comes with an anti-snag, a soft start and an overspooling feature which will help when you're pulling the hose off. It will sort of apply a bit of friction to the reel, help it brake to stop it from overspooling. We've also installed an additional leisure battery on this van. Now, because we're powering the electric hose reel and the hot water system, which is sort of very power thirsty when we're starting this up, we do encourage an additional leisure battery to go into these sort of systems. So yeah, it's installed into a Peugeot Expert, and these come with twin side loading doors, and I can just show you the space available with the 750 litre tank in there. Let's have a quick look around this side. So yeah, good that you've got the twin side loading doors. We've tried to put all the equipment as far back in the vehicle as possible, so he's got some room in front of the tank, and then the customer's also got some spare capacity here should he want to carry any additional equipment. If you're interested in a similar hot water window cleaning system from us, certainly contact the team here at Xline Systems and we can talk you through our range. We can make sure the equipment's spec'd up to meet your requirements and provide you with a full quote. We can help source the actual vehicles themselves, so we have a partnership with Peugeot. So if you're interested in a Peugeot van, or in fact any other makes, certainly talk to us. And if you're interested in financing a deal, we can finance all the equipment and the vehicle under one agreement. So yeah, thanks very much for watching.